Welcome to another Trend Micro how-to video. In this video, we will show you how to disable the Scan Memory feature from the Apex Central Web Console for isolation testing. Scan Memory works in conjunction with behavior monitoring to scan the system memory for suspicious processes and also real-time scan to map the processes and scans for malware threats. Now let's go ahead and log into the Apex Central Web Console. Go to Policies and select Policy Management. Make sure that Apex One Security Agent is the selected product. Click on the test policy that was copied and created from the current policy. Now make sure to specify the machines that will be included for this test. Okay, find the real-time scan settings and then click to expand. Now under Scan Settings, uncheck Quarantine Malware Variants Detected in Memory. Now click Deploy, and wait for the policy to be deployed. Also, please do take note of the policy version. On the agent side, to verify if the policy was deployed successfully, right-click on the Security Agent icon, then click on Component Versions. Scroll down, then hover on the information icon and verify if the policy version is the same version showing from the Apex Central Web Console. And that's it. That's how you disable the Scan Memory feature from the Apex Central Web Console for isolation testing. For more how-to support videos, please click the Trend Micro button to subscribe now. To keep watching, click on any of these videos. Also, for the latest in Trend Micro updates and information, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. Thank you for watching.